here, and today I'm going to show you how you can uh, go back to your stock ROM from your custom ROM. Okay, so this will work on any Samsung phone running Android operating system, starting from Galaxy Y or Galaxy S4, Note 3, anything, Grand S3. Okay, so to go back to a stock ROM by using Odin, you need to go to this website, which is Sam Mobile. Okay, so once you go to this website, here you have here it's written that firmware. So click on firmware. Okay, so once you click on firmware, this is the page, and here on the search device, here write the mobile model number. So today I'm going to show you how to go back on my Samsung Galaxy Grand. So we need to write its model number like i9082. Okay, so here you can see a lots of uh, firmware. Okay, so as I'm in India, I'll click on India, and here it says that only for registered user, means at first you need to register on this website, then only you can download the firmware. Okay, so register and then click on the firmware which you want to download, then download the whole firmware. And once you download the whole firmware, it will be on a zip file or rar file. Extract it, and once you extract it, you will get this file. Okay, this is a tar file, md5 i9082xx. I downloaded this mk3 firmware, which is size is about 1.4 GB. So I'm gonna show you how you can flash this firmware via Odin. So at first I'm gonna show you something on phone. Okay, you need to download this Triangle Away application. Okay, Triangle Away will here it says flash counter is 1, so reset your flash counter at first. Flash counter reset. Okay, so after clearing the bin counter, now you need to turn on your phone in download mode. So to turn on your phone in download mode, we need to press this volume down plus home plus power on the same time. So volume down, home, power, and press and hold it for 5 seconds. So we are in download mode, and here it says volume up to continue, volume up, and here it says that product counter is Samsung official, system status is official. That means you got your warranty back. Now we need to just flash the stock firmware. So to flash the stock firmware, okay, to flash the stock firmware, we need an application on PC. It's called Odin, which is this one. Okay, so to right click and run as administrator. Okay, and this is the UI. So now I'm in download mode, and I will connect it to, and I will connect my USB cable with the phone, which is this one. Okay, and here it says communication port 3 is connected. Okay, now we need to click on PDF and select the firmware which we have downloaded for, I mean the stock firmware, this one, i9082. Okay, and guys, just check that it's in download mode, and communication port 3 connected. Auto reboot should be tick, flash time should be tick. Don't tick on repartition, just keep it as it is by default, and select the PDF file as firmware. Okay, now press on start. Okay guys, so finally the uh, installing procedure has been started on Odin, and here you can see it's flashing via Odin. Okay, and here it says pass. Pass means everything went right. Now just disconnect the cable, and we should be on the stock farmer. So finally we have flashed the stock farmer via Odin. Okay. Guys, as you have flashed the stock farmer via Odin, it might take a little time to boot, about 3 to 4 minutes. So be patient. Don't worry, your phone is all right. Okay, and so be patient, and it should boot in a few minutes. Guys, the phone still trying to boot up. It's about 5 minutes. If this thing happens, it's okay, normal. Don't worry. Then just do one thing. Just take out the battery. Okay, and wait for a few seconds. Then reinsert the battery and directly go to recovery mode. To go to recovery mode, volume up. Okay, home, power. Okay, so this is the stock recovery. Don't worry, just press these buttons. All right, now we are in stock recovery mode. Now do a wipe data factory reset. Okay, and do a wipe cache. Okay, that's it. And now I guess your phone should be booted up pretty fast. This thing happens, don't worry. Let's put the phone right here. Okay guys, the phone has finally booted up after doing a vibrator factory reset from stock recovery. If you like this video, then please click on like button, and thanks for watching. Bye.